Hi everyone, I am Pooja Somshekhar. Today I am here with another video. Today I am going to talk about what is topic-based writing and what are its benefits and some tips while following topic-based approach. Topic-based writing is a process of content creation which follows modular approach. In topic-based writing, the information are written in terms of topics where they are independent of each other. I can also say it as standalone topics. One example I can take for topic-based writing is Lego blocks. Lego blocks are usually used to create a structure, and the same block can be reused in creating different structure. The block serves its purpose in creating different structures. Likewise, the topics can be used in different documents. What are the advantages of topic-based writing? The first one is reusability. As I already told, the topics are written independent of one another. They can be reused. When this information or topic is reused in different documents, obviously it saves the time. The second advantage is it makes the process faster. Review and translation process should not wait until the entire document is drafted. Review and translation process can take place as soon as the topic is written, and it is not necessary to wait until the entire document is written. Another advantage is consistent quality. When you use these topics in different documents, consistency is maintained. Publishing to multiple formats. Organization wants to publish the document into different formats like PDF or print or onto the mobile application. This helps to publish the document into different formats. And also, topics are easier to update, also cost effective. If anyone wants to access an information, the information can be fetched easily with topic-based approach. I'm going to share some of the tips while writing or while following topic-based approach. They are: develop a content strategy to maximize the content reuse, the old and the new content. Provide clear names to topic when you are working in a team, so that any team member will not find any difficulties in finding the topic. Avoid referencing other topics in your text. For example, see also. This becomes difficult when you reorganize the content or when you use this content in other document. You may not get the context. Always try to write a generic content. Remember, the topics are reused across multiple documents. So, maintaining a generic writing will help. A single topic should cover one topic or one task. There should not be a multiple task or topic. Next, I will be coming up with much more informative videos. Please subscribe our channel and show your support. Thank you. Hope you like the content. Please show your support by subscribing to our channel, and please hit bell icon to get notifications.